the season opener at the Ring, the IDM SuperBike Championship moves west to Zolder in Belgium for round 2 of the series. The first of 2 races declared wet, so treaded tyres all round. In the very damp conditions, it was Yamaha pair Matthias Smertz and Gareth Jones who led the field, ahead of a host of BMW riders, including Damien Kudlin, Marcus Reiterberger and the Dutchman Kevin Volk, plus HRP Honda teammates Michael Ranseda and Freddie Foray. Volk would pass the Yamaha duo on the opening laps. However, the conditions would get the better of him and he lost control of the bike and the lead of the race. Matthias Smertz took over at the front until he dropped his Yamaha, and that was his race run. Gareth Jones became the new race leader until he was passed by Damien Kudlin, with Erwin Nygon closing in 3rd place. Nygon would eventually pass both riders and became the latest rider to lead the race. But the #1 position on the track was like a hot potato as the BMW rider became the latest race leader to throw it away. The race was brought to a premature end on lap 13. The track had dried by race 2, but this had also been declared wet as further rain was forecast. That meant this one would not be stopped if the heavens opened again, so tyre choice would prove crucial. Marcus Reiterberger was the early race leader, the Bavarian pulling away at the front on his BMW. Slotting into 2nd place was Yamaha rider Gareth Jones. Erwin Nygon seemed all set to grab the final podium position, but he chucked it away with this crash on the last lap, allowing Volk to take over 3rd place. At the flag, it was victory for Reiterberger, with Jones a close 2nd. This is how the IDM SuperBike Championship stands, with 2 rounds and 4 races completed.
In the last lap, I lose the front, so I don't understand exactly because I have same speed. So it's really bad because now the championship is very hard for back to the front, but